Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account profile picture on Airtable. Once you're in Airtable, just go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click an account again. Now you'll be taken over to the overview page and you will see your account overview. It's going to show your initial if you don't have any picture there. So let's say the first letter of your first name on your account, it's going to show it there. But there's a little pencil icon, you click on that. Then from here, you can browse files on your computer. So click on browse file and find an image that you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, this image right here. Then click and open. And now it's going to show me that I can use the image as is, or I can adjust it, rotate it, whatever it is, right? So you can go ahead and make sure that you choose that, and you can increase it or you can decrease it. So it's really up to you how you want to have it. Then go ahead and click on save on the upper right hand side. Once done, then click on upload, right? And you'll be able to add that image as your profile picture on Airtable. And that's it, guys.